So I thought this was kind of interesting. It's kind of redundant, but short chain fatty acids, this is Wikipedia. Um, and they talk about how these are derived from intestinal microbial fermentation. And, wow, what am I getting here? One of the interesting parts they talk about is produced when dietary fiber is fermented in the colon. So these microbes are using the dietary fiber to produce the short chain fatty acids. And there's a lot of arguments about what types of fibers because these plants, there's multiple different types of fibers, and there's also chemicals that are found. When you start looking at food chemistry, there's all kinds of chemicals that have influences upon what microbes will grow the strongest. For instance, there was research on like pomegranates that pomegranates may stimulate production of certain types of bacteria, or you could look at soluble versus insoluble fiber, which has to do with water, whether water is a part of it. Oh, there it is, soluble versus insoluble fiber. Components of plant-based foods such as legumes, whole grains, cereals, vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds. Um, Here they say dietary fiber consists of non-starch polysaccharides and other plant components such as cellulose, resistant starch, which there's a lot of people that, there's a whole blog on resistant starch, which comes from either green bananas or it comes from cooked potatoes, and then they let the potatoes cool down. That has a lot of resistant starch, and people get benefit from that. Inulin, that's found in I believe it's found in uh, garlic, onions, asparagus. I think is pretty high. Artichoke, I think is pretty high in it. My somebody I know has problems with inulin, and actually makes them worse. It makes them very having IBS all over again. So there's something that the inulin is feeding some type of bacteria over in the gut. I've seen plenty of things, like I was having problems with bananas. I think bananas are a good thing. I had problems with IBS after eating bananas. So there's some type of chemical that's found in the bananas that some bad microbes like, and then it creates this whole problem.